morning, my fellow students. Today we're going to learn how to stretch the word. And the word that we're going to learn today is the U sound, sound. So let's go so we can learn together these wonderful words. So before we start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Mrs. Gonzalez, but you guys could call me Isabel. And I have three things that describe me. The first one is that I attend this university called California State University, Los Angeles, and I still go to school like every single each of you guys. And I love school, and I'm majoring in psychology. I have four children, and I love dogs. The dog that you see here is a pug, so I have one of those dogs, and it's my favorite dog. So now we're gonna go over our classroom rules. So first of all, is always looking to me at the eyes, have listening ears, quiet voices, helping hands, which means that you always help each other, and walking feet. Also, you have any questions, you can raise your hand. So let's see the next slide. So now we're gonna do the first word. The first word is hug. So we could get our arm and we could go ha a g, hug. Good job. The next word, we could do it differently. We could do yum. Yeah, mm, yum. Good job. Now, the word hum. Let's repeat it together. Hum. Ha, mm, hum. Good job. The word yug. Yeah, g. So, yeah, g. Yug. Good job. Now, the word luck. L, a, luck. Good job. The word hat. So let's pronounce it together. So we could do our arm. I don't know if you can see it here. And we could go ha, a, hat. Good job. Now the word bus, bus, ba, a, bus. Good job. Wow, now we're gonna learn the word duck. D, a, duck. Good job. Do you guys have any questions so far? Okay, great. You guys are doing wonderful. Now we're gonna practice the word duck, the middle sound. Duck, duck, duck. Good job. Now let's do the word tug. Tug, tug, tug. Good job. Now we have the word mutt, mutt, mutt. Good job. So it's a mutt. Now the word is fuss, a fuss. The next word we have rub. When we rub our hand, rub. R-a-b. Let's put it together. Rub. Good job. Now, we have the word sun. S-a-n. Now let's put it together. Sun. Good job. Now we have the word bug. B-a-g. Let's put it together. Bug. Good job. Now let's do the word us. Us. Now let's put it together. Us. Now let's do the word up. Up, up, up. Good job. Now, let's do the word jump. J, a, p. And let's put it together. Yup. Good job. Now, let's do the word run. R, a, n. Now, let's put it together. Run. Good job. Now, let's do the word some. S, a, n. Some. Now, let's do the word mug. M, a, g. And let's put it together. Mug. Now let's do the word cup. K, a, b. Let's put it together. Cup. Good job. Now we're going to practice together the words by together saying it out loud with me. So 1, 2, 3. Us, up, but, run, dug, do, bus, gum. Now let's do the words with the E sound. Let, red, well, get. And final words are the U sound again. Plug, lump, jump, funny. And let's read the sentence together. So everybody repeat with me. He and his pup run in the sun. Good job. A high five for everyone. Good job. Now, we're going to do high frequency words. We first are going to do it together by sounding it out. Read it again out loud together and then spell it. And finally, write it. So the word is be. Ba, eh, be. So let's say it again. Be. B, E, be. Be. Now, the next word is he. Eh, he. And how do we spell it? It's H-N-E. Now, the word she. S-H-E. She. And we're going to write it by S-H-E. Finally, the next word we have is we. Wa, 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 eh. And let's put it together. We.